At Randall Knows Rockwall Hyundai, a proud participant in the Hyundai Assurance Program, we offer a tremendous selection of new Hyundais and top-quality pre-owned vehicles, all at affordable prices, like this one.
Introducing the 2006 Hyundai Sonata. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride. Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Randall Knows Rockwall Hyundai. You won't find a better deal anywhere. Stop in and learn more about the Hyundai Assurance Program today. We're conveniently located at 2465 I-30 East in Rockwall, Texas.